Well, this video is actually a bit sudden because I'm editing another video right now. But I think I should out of this one first. So I'm 21 years old and turning 22 this year. I'm struggling with a lot of problems, such as friendship, relationships, and small things turn to a big deal. And I'm tired. I'm tired of seeing people leave each other once they start running into problems. Relationships are complicated, by the way. It's not easy. But just because a light bulb goes up doesn't mean you have to throw away the whole house. You just need to fix the light bulb. I know the things are kind of different right now, Everything changed. You probably might thinking, dude, you are not the same anymore. Of course I'm not, sweethearts. I'm not the same anymore. Physically, mentally, I'm not the same one. But it doesn't mean we cannot talk. We cannot do the stupid things again. I hope you're still in the same boat. I saw this on Instagram a couple days ago. I think it's pretty interesting. I want to build friendships with people who add value to my life, who challenge me to do better than I did yesterday, who support me as I support them. People who make life easier and more magical just by being here. I think the reason why I want to make this video is because I met new friends. They were amazing. We've been so many places and we trash talk non-stop. It's just like a click, Like sometimes just like a click. It's super weird, but at the same time, it's amazing. It's so good. It's the connection we cannot explain, There are not many people that you can just click with. So when you meet those friends in your life, don't let them go. Honestly, they are like a gift. I swear. Stay close to the people who feel like sunlight. I guess I gotta go.
This one's over here. Girl, she really thought she had the audacity to be a girl and like to say, yeah, man. Yeah, I deserve better than that nigga shit. Are you gonna tell her? Yeah, man, I'm gonna tell her.
It's been way long overdue, just wasting all my tears on you. How could I be such a fool, falling for one?
It's not wrong.
Yes, I went under the trance, I gave my all just for your plans. Now I see you through your mask, boy, you ain't a man. You can make your way, just don't make you pay. It's goodbye, go cry, just another.
So, guys, this is my cameraman, Ken. Show yourself. Okay, guys, this is my cameraman. I finally have a cameraman. Last week, we were actually sitting right there. And we were just watching the sunset. And we were drinking the beer together, But they are in different places right now. One in Madrid, one in Valencia. And everything is just temporary, Like everything, the sunset, the beer we're drinking, the moments we cry, we laugh, and the friendship as well. I mean every single thing. Temporary is just a fact, It's true, because nothing lasts forever, But don't get me wrong. What I mean by that is we definitely have a great time together, But I'm 100% sure. I know, and I can tell you, when we meet again, we will definitely have another great time ever.
I felt way too hard again. My heart hates to call you friend. Saying that I'm fine, I can't pretend. Not until your mind is pain won't end. Yeah. I'm gonna need a speed limit.
all my friends and family, I love you all. No matter what you are doing right now, at least we are under the same sky.
Never felt like you were here. Now it's sleepwalk, talking to the ghost.